Good morning, guys. Welcome back on the RS5. It's all finished now. There's nothing left to do on it. Little bits and bobs, but that's just touch up. The car's finished. It's been MOT'd. Gonna tax it today or tomorrow, start of the month. Um, yeah, I'm gonna show you everything I've done to it. Just give you a little catch up, and where it is now is completely finished. MOT is done, like I said. Tax is going to be done today. And I'll be driving it back and give it a wash today and put it up for sale straight away because I need my next project. Apart from that, I'm going to show you what else I've been doing on my other cars. Got these cars which I buy from auction and just prep them up. This is a Mini automatic. It's a 1.6. That's ready to go. I had a new battery, power steering pump. Just get it ready for sale. And I've also got this VW Passat over here, which is 2018 plate. It's a hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and it's only got 72 on the clock. Fully loaded, leather seats, panoramic roof, ambient lighting, everything. It's got all that. It's the GTE model, and it's got the DSG gearbox as well. So that should be up for sale today as well. If you're interested, give me a shout. You can just email me at themotorsurgery@gmail.com. I forgot to mention, back on this quickly, this also is going to be up for sale. Any of the other cars that you're looking at, the Scooby, the Mini or the Passat, you can just email me at the address I gave you just now, themotorsurgery@gmail.com. This is going to be up for sale as well. Everything's done for it. No engine lights, no airbag lights. It's all done, and the work's been done properly as well, as you can see from the YouTube channel. Any questions, just give me a shout. Now let's get you over to the videos. Shows you how we got to this stage. So next was these boot panels. They're in. These chrome trims, they're in, screwed in. And got the toolkit in as well. Next we've got to put that little parcel shelf, boot flooring, cover. Had to remove the center console thing again out because I have to fit the airbag ECU that's had the original one that's had the crash data deleted. So I'm going to take all this out again and then find it underneath somewhere and then disconnect the battery and change that around. It's getting the seats back in. Have you seen it?
Won't get me
I'm
that
gonna make
picture.
it famous now.
Too good. No, thank you.
So here I'm just throwing the seats back in. It's a good idea to put something on the sills like a cloth or sponge or something so you don't scratch the sills or any other paintwork as you're putting the seats back in with the rails. Also, it's a good idea to disconnect the battery as you're doing any kind of electrical work. Like I was doing on the seats here, to put the plugs in underneath, and some of the, well, they have airbag plugs underneath as well, so like in case you're in an accident. So you want to disconnect the battery in case you mess any of the electrics up as well. So it's the driver's seat underneath. You can see here one of the plugs got ripped off, which was a black plug. I'm going to sort that out later. Needs soldering and that. Need to figure out where the wires go in the plug as well. So I've de-pinned it, got some new pins. Just got to work out which wire goes where and then sort that out later. Right guys, time to fit the steering wheel airbag in. So you're going to have the main plug, which is a yellow plug, which goes in the top here into this black plug. And then if you look here, just where my finger is, I can't get into there yet. See if it focuses. There's a little black plug that goes in there. Let me show you on the airbag. So there's a little black plug, and here's the main yellow plug which goes in this black bit. So let me chuck that in. My cameraman's not here. Battery's unplugged, so I had to do that when I was putting the seats in, and now just going to chuck this in as well, hopefully. So right way, or is it wrong way? Let's try this way. Yeah, that's the right way. Is that one in? Right, there you go. And you push the green tab in. There you go. Airbag's in. So now we're going to connect the battery back up, see what lights we can remove, see if the airbag lights go out, because the seats are plugged in now. Curtain airbags are in, and the steering wheel's in, so let's have a look. Just reconnecting the battery terminals here, and let's see what codes it's got rid of. Let's go and have a look if the airbag light's gone on. No, airbag lights still on. So oil change due, both doors open, boot lids open. What else is there? I've topped up the windscreen washer fluid earlier, so that light's gone out. Have to plug it in and see what's going on. So here we are. Let's plug this diagnostic in and check what's happening. So it's not USA. Okay. Auto scan. Auto scan. First, let's go to airbag. All of them seem like they're okay, so just got to clear them. The only one that's active is this seat possession sensor, driver's side open circuit. So that was the plug that I told you like accidentally ripped out. So let's see if we can clear these. Airbag, read them. So there's only one, that's the driver's side, that's the one I'm telling you about. Let's clear these. Yes. No trouble codes. Okay. So we can go back. Airbag, just one fault, which is the one I've told you about. Let's check the rest out. Engine control module. Establish vehicle communication and identify the system. Let's read the codes. There's only one that's active, which is the evap system control. So here we go, guys. Nearly finished everything now. So what's happening here is we turn the ignition on. Engine light's gone out. Turn the stereo off. The car, the exhaust has got a leak. I think it's from the manifold. Let's change this. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, the exhaust has got a leak on the downpipes, so I'm getting that sorted out tomorrow. As you can see, the engine light's gone out. So all that was as you lift the cover off of the engine, there's a plug under there for the, what you call it, the code that was coming up, which was the P0444. Let me pull it out. Let me check it. Tell you what the code was. If you look on my other phone, can focus. Come on. you go, P044400, which is the evap system purge control valve. So all it was underneath the engine cover there was a little plug that was unplugged, and plugged that back in, and now the engine light is out. So the only thing remaining is this airbag light, the one that it's underneath the driver's seat. One of the plugs that I accidentally pulled the wires out, so now I've got to sort that out. So I'm just going to jump on that, and then hopefully tomorrow I'm giving it in to get the gasket put on the downpipes. That's going to be original OEM gasket from Audi, or it could be TPS, which is OEM anyway, and get that fitted, and hopefully then I can MOT it. So let's jump on this seat and let's see if we can sort this out. So if you have a look down here, you can see the red wires plugged in. If it focuses, red wires plugged in, yellow wires plugged in, and this is the black plug that I've got over here that broke. So hopefully that's the reason the light come on. So I'm just, before I solder the wires together, before I solder the wires together, I'm just going to put them together, try it out, see if it clears the code, and then I'll do the soldering after that. Here we go, 3 wires for the seats. So just got to do the same to the other side and then just connect them. Alrighty guys, here we are. Driver's side seat. As you can see, the red plug, yellow plug and the green plug, they're okay. The other one's ripped off, and you probably see these 3 wires. I've just connected them straight to the actual terminal. The plug, I won't put that in because I thought if I put the pins in and it's wrong, I can't get it back out. What I've done, I've just put the actual pin straight into where they connect to the pin, the other side, and I'm just going to test it, see if I can get rid of this airbag light. So let's check that on the diagnostic. Right, diagnostics, Audi, automatic. Sorry, it's not focusing properly. I'm trying to get this so you can see. Auto scan. Come on. Airbag. Read that. So that's gone to, it was active before, it's gone to sporadic. So let's see if we can clear that. And it says no trouble codes. Okay. And it looks like the airbag light's gone out. So hopefully, let's go, the engine light's gone out as well. And the airbag light's out as well. Let's see. Go to that. Please refuel. Is there anything else? There's nothing else. Just refuel. So I think should take it down the road for a MOT now. And then we're up and going. Lovely. Let's go. So people, jump back in the Audi. Just going to take it down the road for MOT. Also, I had a service done on it yesterday. The oil filter's still here and some sump plugs, because I didn't change the oil, because as you know, when I replaced the engine, we changed the oil and the oil filter, and then we had all the rest of the stuff, the service stuff that we were going to do after 2,000 miles of running this engine on the new engine oil that we put in. So I've only done about 200 miles, probably less. Well, not even 200. I don't even know if it's 100. But yeah, let's take it down the MOT station, and then the engine light's on there, as you can see. So now I'm gonna sort the code out. And there you go, the engine light goes out as well. And the only message is that I need to refuel it. There you go. No other messages, I don't think. Yeah, nothing else on here. So the car is ready, basically. Just got to take it for the MOT and then let you know what happens from there. Let you know the results. Just going to jump underneath the car to show you what it's like. The new transmission son, exhaust, new subframe, it's the new spring that was on the passenger side. I do think driver's side does require one. Sorry, this is one that was changed. I do think the other side needs changing. There you go, guys, past the MOT. It should have today's date, which is the 29th of the 4th, 26, till next year as well. The only advisories on there, where they gone? Yeah, the brake discs, advisory on the brake discs and pads. So that's the only thing, but they're advisories. Mileage is on there, and there we go. So I'm going to wait till the 1st to tax it, and this should be on sale soon as well, because I need to get my next project. Hopefully it won't be a Fiesta, and Hopefully it'll be something nice, something for the viewers. There you go, guys, that's everything. Now the car's ready. Sorry it's taken so long, but as with my other jobs and trying to find people who can sort the car out for me, some of the things that I couldn't do, it's taken so long. But we got there in the end, and now we're ready to get the next project. So if any of you have got any projects, any damaged cars that you think I'd be interested in, give me a shout. Also on the same email address, which is themotorsurgery@gmail.com. And I'll see you on the next one. And you know what I'm going to say next? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. All your comments count. I do have a look at them and I do try to reply to everyone. So let me know if there's anything, any advice you can give me or anything I can do to the cars which make it better. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.